I'm going to show you how to change account location in Roblox. So first, go to roblox.com and next click the settings icon at the top right. Go to settings. Next, you want to go to account info. So scroll down and find the option account location. So if you see a drop down beside it, click on that and try selecting the correct country or region for your account. And so in some cases, Roblox will allow you to manually update it right there. But if it doesn't give you the option to change your location, don't worry. There's another thing you can do. So just open up your browser. So open a new tab and go to Roblox support. Click the first link. Now, once you're here, scroll down a bit and select Roblox account. I need help with my account. So, inside the help section, use the search bar and type in location. Tap on enter. So, click on account location. After that page opens, scroll all the way down and look for the option that says need more help. Contact support here. So, it's at the bottom. So, go ahead and click on that, and it will take you to the Roblox support contact form. Now, on this page, you can either log into your Roblox account directly or manually fill out the support details. So, you'll need to enter information like your Roblox username, your first name, your email address, etc. So, after that, choose the device you normally use to play Roblox, whether it's mobile, PC, tablet, or console. Then, next, go ahead and click on type of help category. So choose how to and then select a subcategory type and then choose how to change my location or location issue. Now in the description box, clearly explain the problem you're having. For example, you can write that your Roblox account is showing the wrong country or your account location cannot be updated manually. So make sure to be specific so the support team understands exactly what needs to be fixed. Also, Roblox may ask you to provide proof of your current country, especially if they need to verify that the account location should be changed. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.